Don't you just think that the world is massive?
Yeah, but Fiberman's still alive, so he could.
Oh,
he could just swing it.
not if I have anything to say about it. I'm gonna step in.
You're dead.
Guys, what's
Now
his
you're
address?
stepping in. What's stepping into his home?
Yeah, I'm stepping into his home to fix it.
Nah.
Nah, don't step into his home. Don't
Who's
do
home?
it.
Whose home are we going in?
We gotta
Okay,
get this
okay.
job, guys, or I don't get my little sweets. Why is talking like fucking on extreme difficulty? Like, what the fuck,
In
man?
this video, we added the extreme talking mod into Minecraft, which
No,
means
it's
every
just
word
like-
we say will be fucked up.
Yeah, no.
Gotta live, man! You gotta
Oh,
live!
you did. You
Oh my days, man! What that wall do that? I'm suffocating in a wall. Fuck walls.
Bro, you are
Listen
not
to me.
Ken up,
Listen to
bro.
me. Let's fucking cancel walls, man. Fuck 'em, man.
Alright, wars are over party. Tweet it.
Stay hungry. We devour.
Never give up. We say
Never give up,
hungry,
never
we
what?
devour.
Never give up, never what?
Right, run, run, run.
Down.
Someone in my chat just said the word sex, and that's awesome. Yeah.
Shit,
Oh
just
wow.
bottle
I'm
of
like,
ever
I'm like
been.
schlunking a bit.
Wait.
Oh, that is a new one.
Wait.
Don't you just think that the world is massive?
Hey, you're not high.
You
Wait,
silence me.
oh no, I don't mean to silence
It's
you,
done
please.
now.
Do your
Moment
thing.
over. Moment over.
Fine, that's it. I'm gonna make like a Freddo and hop it.
No! Let it, man! Let it, man!
So make like,
Well done, praise.
make like a Freddo and hop it. Your girl is 4'4" and got bare hair on her toes like a hobbit.
What?
I don't know. What do you want to chat about?
Don't know. Nothing going through my brain right now, Tubbo. Just clouds, man.
Just clouds.
Literally-
count some sheep. Honk shoe.
I'm
honk shoe.
I'm head empty right now, mate. And
There's this YouTuber, he died, but like he used to make videos with this guy just from Brooklyn.
you said that way too nonchalantly. Like,
Hello.
He died like a few years back, but like
died? Sorry?
this YouTuber, but like he had this channel called he went. When's Sneak's baby dropping?
why did you say that? Like,
I enjoyed that game.
Better. It's only fun when you know it's fun.
wise words from Tubbo.
Tom, not a single thought of mine has ever been controversial.
I
What
was
are you
getting
saying?
all of my thoughts.
Oh
on
my
this
god, why am I
question.
taking this fight? What?
The killer is coming. Shit!
Oh, me dead. Freaking
Don't
sit
dead.
rich!
Oh my god, will you fucking go outside, get a life, fucking touch some grass, you fucking div! Oh my god. Sorry, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Tubbo, throw some rage, throw some hate, Tubbo, throw some hate into the call. Tubbo, guys, we need to use hate. It's the most powerful emotion to win this game, all right? We need to get hateful.
Just get...
Tubbo, you need to start hating, all right? I'm gonna be your hate mentor.
You'll be my hate guy.
Yeah, Tubbo, get hateful, go.
You're right,
Oh
Jack.
man, I'm so upset.
Yeah, how
I'm
gone
back
are you?
and I've got 13 cents.
Fucking mate.
13!
Are we
Holy...
all wankered? Are we all actually
That's the
fucked?
point, isn't it?
Risk it for the chocolate biscuit.
How
much time do we have back?
I'm having sperm.
Fuck knows.
Sperm is
What do you mean, fuck knows? That's your whole job. Figure it
90
out.
seconds, I've got Cassandro, it's gonna go up.
I want some more coins.
Fucking fuck knows. Christ almighty.
Fuck.
Tubbo, I wish never to see through your eyes, man.
Yeah, it's a little bit rainbow tinted, isn't it?
That wasn't what I was implying at all. I don't mind that you're gay, Tubbo.
I mean, it's not that deep though, is it?
No, it isn't.
We win.
What's Phil's crime?
Yeah, probably mansplaining.
Tax evasion.
Oh, tax evasion.
Hey, for real, bro. I don't pay that shit. I earned it fair.
Uh-oh.
And
Uh-oh. I just
Swear.
murdered him.
get my peas, bro.
Hey, okay, my sand.
My sand.
My sand.
You okay? I'm gonna go and get the sand, man.
Green Doors are
Tax
best
evasion
club, man.
bet.
They do an 80s night every Saturday, chat. If you live in
It's
Brighton.
great.
What? Oh my
It is
god.
great.
I
to
bet
be
you
fair.
stop saying where we like to drink.
Where we like to drink, and our favourite pub is Wagon and Horses. And James Marriott goes to the roastery.
Oh my, bro! I actually beg you stop outing where we go to like
my
have
God.
fun.
Jack, read out the messages sent in chat.
Tubbo kisses his cousin. I've
actually
seen
seen it.
Tubbo bare lips in his cousin.
Guys, stop calling me Daddy Tommy. What the fuck?
Oh my
Just because I'm
God.
18 doesn't mean you can fucking...
Ew.
Also, guys,
Ew, I didn't know your YouTube chat was so fucking gross and disgusting. Ew.
guys, I'm clearly a twink.
Oh God.
What does that mean again? Sorry.
Calm down, Tom.
What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Tell me.
No.
So okay, so you know koi piso is basically that. Captain, oh yeah.
Guys, do me a favor. Do me a massive favor. Everyone go on the Twitter search bar right now and type JackManifold foot fetish so it becomes the #1 thing when you type JackManifold.
Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I don't have a foot fetish. I don't have a foot fetish.
I'm dribbling, man. I'm sorry, Jack. Tubbo, mate, you literally shag your cousins, man.
No, it's just not.
Tubbo, I saw you bare lips in your cousin. It was disgusting.
You don't even have a recycling bin.
Tubbo, I saw you kissing your cousin,
mate.
and there was a string of saliva between their lips. It was disgusting.
Oh fucking god.
Tubbo, you bare lips your cousins in a disgusting way.
I just did, though. I don't understand what you're saying.
Tubbo, you pulled me aside and went, I fancy my cousin so bad, they're lame.
What does lang mean?
Tubbo, you were my cousin's lang, and I can't help that I fancy them.
Is that like lean, like sneak snack?
Yeah, Tubbo said I fancy my cousin like sneak snag. They're lean.
Tubbo, my cousin's bare lang. I can't even keep it in no more.
Guys, if you're in chat going ooh in all caps and you're from Alabama and it's normal,
Tubbo said the safe word. Seriously, is the safe
Yeah,
word.
seriously.
I can't do it anymore.
Let's joke about something else.
Yeah, guys, if you're saying ooh in chat, then you're from Alabama. Painting, I don't know what to do.
Text from my mum just dropped.
Oh no!
Oh
What?
god.
What?
She says,
She said, "Why did you reveal the truth?"
no. She says, you seriously need to stop hanging out with Tom.
How is this on me? How is this my fault? Jack is the one that started it.
Tom, no, Tom, you know what? It was too far when you just list his cousin.
What about JackManifold, man?
She says, Jack's on thin ice, but you seriously gotta separate from Tom.
Oh my days! All because I married you and pushed you out of plane, and now suddenly your mum don't like me.
You also locked me in a Zorb ball in the English Channel and then proceeded to kick me in the balls twice.
Exactly, nothing wrong.
Bare lips in her cousin.
Mate, Bekyamon.
Jack, I told you not to fucking tell anyone about that, man.
Bekyamon, you turned to me and you meant my cousin's
No,
lang
Jack, I
stole.
told you not to tell anyone. That was in confidence.
Bekyamon came to me.
At the end of the day, I thought it was really wrong when Tommy
Oh,
went,
yes,
you licked your
Easton
cousin,
on my
and it was too much.
Exactly.
Yeah, that was kinda shit of you, Tom.
Guys, I'm gonna say the safe word. Seriously, I don't like this very
Guys,
much.
if you're
This was too much. This
is
is too
mad.
far. We're in dead last, and I'm just pissed and embarrassed.
I hope the John
embarrassed and
game is-
repeatedly naming people's addresses.
Ella.
Okay, seriously though, listen.
Under my umbrella, Ella.
All right.
The big man's back. www.thekidfrombrooklyn.com.